In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade BNB meme coins on Axiom. Now, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Here on Axiom, this has been the most recent update. You can now also trade BNB meme coins. So the way you do this is there's like a new button up here which says Sol. Click on it and then you can switch to the BNB chain like that, and there we go. You can now go ahead, use Discover, Pulse, everything over here, and everything is going to be based on the BNB chain. Okay, now of course you first want to get some BNB on here as well, and in case you are holding some Solana like me, you can do that very easily. You can just click on this deposit button over here, press on the convert button, and then you can go ahead and just convert your Solana into BNB. So select Sol as a converting asset, and then as a gaining asset, you should click on BNB. After that, just type in how much you want to convert. You'll be able to see how much you'll get. Click on confirm over here and you're good to go. You now have some BNB. So after you have BNB, switch back over to the BNB chain and you can go ahead and start trading BNB meme coins. And the way you do this is you can go here to discover new different trending coins, or go to Pulse here where you can see the new pairs, final stretch coins, and then the migrated coins. Now let's say you actually find a coin you would like to buy. So for example, let's just go ahead and find a random coin over here. So let's say this is the one you want to buy, just for an example. And then to actually trade it, here on the right hand side, you have the buy and sell button. So you have to first, of course, buy and then select how much you want to buy of a specific token you selected. Then you can buy, and whenever you're ready, you can then sell. And this is pretty much how you can trade BNB meme coins on Axiom. So if you want more tutorials on Axiom, I have a lot of videos on my channel. Make sure you check those out too. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.